We have the 4moms Mamaru swing. Today, Arvin and I will show you how to disassemble Mamaru 4 step by step. We also show you Mamaru reboxing, and we start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this video on how to take apart Mamaru swing from 4moms. We also cover how to rebox the Mamaru into the original packaging at the end of the video. We have other video on the review, Bluetooth setup and assembly of 4moms Mamaru swing. If you're interested, I put a link here and also in the description below this video. For now, let's do 4mom Mamaru disassembly. Coming up! Let's start the Mamaru swing disassembly by taking the toy bar off like this. You can use the Mamaru swing until the baby is 25 pounds or once the child is attempting to climb out of the swing. Let's take the seat pad for the Mamaru off by undoing the buttons on the top and the bottom side. Release the straps. Take the straps out of the holes in the seat pad like this. There are zippers on the seat pad that connects to the sidebars. Unzip the seat pad like this on both sides. Take this wire connection for external audio. I repurposed this in the disassembly. Release the push buttons on the sidebar like this. If you lost these, you can grab a pen or a small screwdriver for the next steps. Take the sidebar off. Release the push button on this end piece and take it off. Unlock the base like this. Slide the large curve bar off the Mamaru. Lock the base. We typically use most baby items for like 5 minutes and then baby grow out of them. Oh boy. Very soon we are done with the baby swing and now we cover how to put the Mamaru back in the box. Maybe for the next baby or sell it to make a few bucks. Put the package cushioning on the Mamaru like this. Put the curve bar in place like this. Put the seat pad here. Grab the sidebars and put them in. The end piece goes here. Now let's pack the toy bar. By the way, make sure to check our other videos on review, Bluetooth setup and assembly of the 4moms Mamaru swing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.